everyone, welcome to my class. In this video, I'll be continuing with the second theme of class 11th history, that is writing and city life. And as I told you in my previous video that our focus will be more on the writing and the city life of Mesopotamian civilization, which were an important features of this civilization. Right? Now, to discuss further, first thing that we need to know about the Mesopotamia and its geography. What were the factors if we talk about the emergence of the city life in Mesopotamian civilization? Then its strategic location of the civilization and its important sites are very important to know. Right, so let's start with this. If we are talking about the Mesopotamia, we are talking about this region which is part of Iraq today. Present day Iraq, this nation, in Iraq we can say the Mesopotamian civilization emerged. If we see this region, in the northeastern part lies the undulating green plains, mountains. And this region is having enough rainfall for growing crops, for doing agriculture. So this northeastern region of civilization was quite having quite greenery, right? And enough, since here the greenery is there, then the people apart from doing agriculture, they also indulge themselves in animal herding. Sheep, goat, they started rearing these animals here. So this became two important occupations of the people: agriculture and animal herding. Now agriculture began in this civilization around 7000 or 6000 BCE. And it was one of the prime activity of the people. The basic thing which is required in agriculture is enough source of water for growing crops and fertile soil. So whenever we see a region between two rivers, means the region is quite fertile for growing crops, regular supply of water due to presence of rivers, and the rivers the river beds are having fertile soils, right? So this region, the region between these two rivers are quite fertile land, and that is why the agriculture flourished here in this region. In northern region of Mesopotamia, we have steppe grasslands. Now steppe grassland is also there, so providing a good grazing ground for the animals. So, and that is why animal herding became an important activity of the people. They easily found grasses for their animals. The eastern side of River Tigris, this region, eastern side of River Tigris, river provides good routes of communication, and it was used for this purpose, for the purpose of trading. Presence of river also ensures the good supply of fishes. So all these things, if you relate these points, you will come to know their staple diet: good crops, animal meat, since they were doing herding. Then fishing was an important activity. Fishes were available in these rivers. So fish is also a part of their staple diet. In southern region, this region is desert region. Arabian region is basically a deserted region. So first city, this was the region where exactly the first cities were developed or emerged of Mesopotamian civilization. And here writing also emerged first. Though it is a deserted region, but river Euphrates, when it enters in the desert of Arabia, its water divides into different channels. and these channels were used as canals for irrigation purpose. So though this region is desert, devoid of good rainfall, but still with the help of these canals, with the help of the water of river Euphrates, this region also, here also the agriculture became possible. Now flooding in these rivers, river Euphrates and Tigris, often resulted into deposition of fine silts in the river beds. So this fine silt, the fine silt is very important for, it provides fertility to the soil, and it resulted into the good crop production. Now various things that we have discussed, the agriculture, the irrigation, fishing, animal herding, growing date palms. In desert region, date palms can be grown easily. So all these things provided a good ground for the flourishing of the cities and sites in Mesopotamian region, right? But apart from these factors, there were various other factors also which are responsible for the Mesopotamia to flourish, right? And as we'll be proceeding further, we'll be discussing these factors in great details. So till then, go through these points, make your notes, and keep watching the videos in a proper sequence. It is very, very, very important for a clear understanding of the topic. So if you find difficulty, please write it in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video.